So you might be in a situation where for some reason Gemini on your particular iPhone or Android device, whatever you have, is randomly slow. And you might be trying to figure out how to make it even faster. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic for the most part, and there's a couple of different ways about doing it. Number one, the easiest way about going through and making your Gemini instance a little bit faster is by going through and just seeing if you can basically toggle on a mode called fast mode. So within Gemini, you'll basically have a little block where it says at the bottom, which basically allows you to change your particular, speed of your Gemini, application. So if it's on thinking mode, it might be a little bit longer. You can basically go through and toggle in something called fast mode, which will basically give you faster responses. So find that fast mode and you should be able to go through and basically get faster responses. You can also go through and just double check that your internet connection is fast and it's stable. Sometimes if your internet connection isn't fast or if there's problems, that can also end up causing you some issues for your particular, Gemini speed as well. Now, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and basically optimize your, prompts for your particular, Gemini instance. So if you're, kind of asking it to generate a lot of different things, if you're asking it to generate a video and then a photo and then a song or anything like that, well, those things are naturally going to take time. So you can change how your prompts look. You can, ask it to, generate maybe the first half of something, the first quarter of something, like a rough draft or a proof of concept. And you can also try going through and seeing if you can break down these tasks into separate different tasks throughout. So those are kind of the main ways to go about doing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.